guys, we're going into Longhorn. Hey guys, we're at Longhorn Steakhouse. Hubby's taking me here for my birthday, so we're having a nice lunch, and I'll show you what I ordered. Our salads came, and our bread is good. Okay, fam, our food just came. We both got the chopped steak, loaded baked potato, got the side salad. This was about $15. The chopped steak was loaded with onions and mushrooms and a gravy, and it's 10 ounces, so I'm very happy how everything looks. Here's hubby. Got his. All right, so that's what we're doing for my birthday. I'm so happy. It's a beautiful day. Okay, I'm gonna try my chopped steak. It's really good.
Yes, ma'am, please. If they look great,
Okay, guys, here's my birthday cake. It's a cheesecake with what is it? Just pecans, and it's a praline topping. All right. Here we go. This is what happens when I don't have a tripod. Okay, so I recommend everything. If we could have gotten a big steak, $25, but I thought I got more bang for my buck to get a 10-ounce chopped steak loaded with onions and mushrooms and gravy, and we got a loaded baked potato, and then so that was $15 just for that, and then nice cheesecake to finish off our meal. I would definitely recommend that. Okay, and it's lunchtime, so yeah, good lunch. Okay, fam, we're going to Spring Fest at Lowe's. Just left the Longhorn. Hubby's taking me over. We're going over to a garden center at Lowe's, doing all of my favorite things for birthday bash weekend. Easter is Sunday, so I will not be out in these crowds. So we're doing everything today outside of the house. At least I am. And then I'll spend Saturday and Sunday, if it's not raining, in the garden. So I don't want to get people in the videos, people walking around. I want to see. See what they got going on. There's some strawberries. Let me see. You can get one pot for $5.98. All the herbs, just one pot, $5.98. Let's see if they got any. If I can find any deals. a white eggplant, $4.98. So during Spring Fest, you get 25% off of herbs and strawberries. So y'all know me, I'm trying to see if there's any 6-packs for $5.98. Bell peppers, one of these pots, $4.98. I grew my peppers in these pots that I got a few years ago, from my own seeds. They're about this size now. Plant. Squashes. I already got my squashes going. Okay, so they do have some, let's see. They do have some 6-packs. $5.98. Got some cucumbers. They got okra. Straight 8. It's like $1 per plant if you get a 6-pack. So yeah, they still got some. Let me see, red sells lettuce, $5.98. We got some watermelons. All right, so I don't see any sweet potatoes. Okay, so we're going in the store. We got plenty of planters.
Okay. Look at that.
And it's like and you put the seeds inside of there.
How much is theirs? It's high. So we've got some orange sweet potatoes, slips, $5.98. I don't want these. Grapes, $12.98. Walmart has plants. Let me get some seed starting mix. I like this. And this is good to have, like if you're starting anything in house, because these don't have like maybe eggs or anything hatching in them. So for seed starting, plants indoors, I recommend Jiffy.
heat mats are $29.98.